I am going to show you real proof that AI YouTube can change your life in 30 days. Not theory, not hype, real examples, real numbers, and a clear path you can follow. You have probably heard people say AI is the future, but the future is already here, and creators who use AI are growing faster than ever. Some went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in a month. Others replaced their full-time income, all using AI tools. In this video, I'm going to share 3 real case studies. Then I will give you a 30-day blueprint you can copy. Stick around because at the end, I will tell you how AI can save you 40 hours per month. Let us go. Case Study 1. A faceless channel in the history niche. This creator used AI for scripting, voiceover, and visuals. No camera, no studio. In 30 days, they gained 12,000 subscribers. Their best video got 500,000 views, all done with free AI tools. Case Study 2. A finance channel. This creator used AI to research, script, and edit. They posted 8 videos in a month, not 30, just 8 high-quality videos. They gained 8,500 subscribers and started earning from AdSense within 6 weeks. Case Study 3. A tech review channel. This creator used AI avatars. No face, no filming. They uploaded 10 videos. One video went viral with 1.2 million views. They monetized in 28 days. What do these creators have in common? They did not work harder, they worked smarter. They used AI to speed up the boring parts. Scripting, voiceover, editing, thumbnails. All AI. Now here is the 30-day blueprint. Week 1. Niche and research. Pick a niche. Study 10 successful channels. Save their best video ideas. Use AI to generate 20 video titles. Week 2. Scripting and voiceover. Use AI to write 4 scripts, 1 for each video. Record voiceovers using AI text-to-speech. No microphone needed. Week 3. Visuals and editing. Generate images with AI. Edit videos with AI. Add captions with AI. Your video is ready in hours, not days. Week 4. Upload and optimize. Post 1 video every other day. That is 4 videos in Week 4. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags with AI suggestions. That is the plan. 30 days, 8 videos. AI everywhere. No camera, no stress. And here's the truth. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need expensive gear. You just need to start. I have linked the exact tools these creators used, all free. Now go start your 30-day challenge, and I will see you in the next one.